Hey guys, so rule 31 of the rules of acquisition is never make fun of a Ferengi's mother. This is a really good rule, alright? Now, this can be expanded a lot. You shouldn't be making fun of other businesses, you shouldn't attack anybody, you shouldn't go out of your way to do anything that could make you enemies. Now, by being good with people, by being cordial, by being friendly with everyone, and not upsetting people, you're going to have a lot less enemies, which means a lot less competition. Now you're probably wondering why I didn't mention 22, which is a wise man can hear prophet in the wind. So I'm just going to explain why, because you're probably going to get really pissed off with me for that. So the reason this isn't good is because if you don't know what to listen for when it comes to things, you might jump to the wrong areas and it could end up costing you everything. So that's not a good rule. But not making fun of a Ferengi's mum, that's really good rule, because you do not want to upset other people, because you never know how it's going to detrimentally affect your business. Even if it's a disgruntled customer, you do not want to make fun of them. Do not attack them in public, do not hurt them, because if you do this, it is going to cause you damage somewhere down the road. You need to be friendly and cordial with everyone, even your enemies, especially your enemies, because you don't want them finding a way to attack you. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. On to the next one.